The mystery of the yawn? Ever notice how one person's yawn can set off a chain reaction? You might think it's because your brain is asking for more oxygen. But science says that's not the whole story. One big reason is that yawning is like a radiator for your brain. A deep breath of cool air helps it chill out. But why is it contagious? It's a sign of empathy. Your brain has mirror neurons that copy actions you see. So, when you catch a yawn, it's just your brain's way of showing it connects with the people around you. Cool, right?